the end.
Get some fingers jammed if we're lucky.
That's it.
Hang on. Is it?
Enjoy the ambience.
Yep. No camera. No camera. Hang on. Come on. I thought I was stopping it from tuning. Do I turn that? Yeah, go.
Go. What the?
Yeah, what? Set that up? Oh shit.
Yeah, I've got to get out of there with that.
Got to get out of there with that.
1, 2, 3, go. I'm waiting.
See your fishing instrument. Oh, you got the fishing instrument. Oh, by the way,
There's our factory rider.
Which one's can you point me the factory rider?
So we can't use this.
There's our factory rider there, Tom.
Just as well we got another
Professional. We're just doing a spring change here.
Now if it had a needle in it, I'd have said you buggers were playing up.
Oh yeah.
Whoops. Longer. It's a lot longer.
Yeah, but it's softer.
Smaller wire. Okay.
Longer but softer. That's what you said all the guys.
Where's the vernier?